Helen. So this is where we involve all of you. So what we've done is we're going to have 3 tables for each of these 3 topics. So we have a total of 9 tables, and we are going to ask you to rotate through 3 stations. I think we'll have about 10 minutes each, and so we'll. So during the next 40 minutes, we'll ask you to rotate through them. So at this end, we've got 3 tables with cyanobacteria, and we've got 3 tabletop moderators. Maybe you could put your hands up if you're. So we've got Emily here, Eleni, and Michael. So if you want to come down here, Michael, and they're going to stay put at those 3 tables. And then for our tick-borne disease, we've got the 3 stations in the middle here, and our tabletop moderators, if you could put your hands up and move towards these tables. We've got Emma Turner from IDEX, we've got Liz Dykstra from the Washington State, and we have Helen. So if you can locate those tables. And then at this other end, we're going to have our wildfire stations. So we've got Chris, who's going to be a tabletop moderator, Tony Redford from the Ministry of Agriculture, and Anne Britton as well. So they are located at this end. So if you can reorganize yourselves to one of those tables, so maybe if the moderators want to wave the cards, and you're going to have to pull chairs in because they're going to be relatively bigger groups than what our tables are doing. So one key point, especially for the moderators, is I'd like you to build on from the table, the ideas of the table before, so to be cumulative. And we've got a series of guiding questions. Yes, and I'll tell you when to move.